I'm doing good.
How's it going here?
Great. Look
This
at
is
my
really
new
cozy.
website.
Huh? You got it up?
I got it up.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen, our new website, actsmarter.com. And so now, what do you have here? This is your juice, right?
It's called Mona B,
Yep.
and it's a blend of 19 different fruits and berries.
How did this?
I can't name them all. Don't ask me to name them all. The key ingredient is called the acai berry, and it's very, very high in antioxidants.
It is.
Yeah, it's a very dark berry.
Where does it come from?
It comes from the Brazilian rainforest. It's harvested from the acai palm tree sustainably. And that's actually a palm that they used to cut down, probably still do, to make hearts of palm salad. You may have heard of that. They used to cut the whole tree down for about 12 inches of heart. But now this company is encouraging the farmers to harvest the berry off that tree, and they're making more money out of harvesting the berry than they were out of cutting the tree down. So they're actually saving trees in the rainforest.
So now, when would you drink this? I mean, is it?
Well, it's a health beverage, so you should drink 1 to 2 ounces twice a day, but you can drink it however you want. Some people like it neat. I just like the taste of it, so I just knock it back like a shot of juice. Some people like to dilute it with water. You can mix it with yogurt, cereal, in a smoothie. Basically, be creative.
What is it like? What does it remind you of when you taste it? When you first taste it?
I haven't tasted anything like it, but it's very berryish.
Yeah.
It's very, that it's
like
berries.
grape juice, but
it's not sweet. It has a tang to it, but that's why one reason I like it. It's not too sweet, but it's very tasty. And it's good for you. The active version has glucosamine and fatty acids added to it, so it's great for us people with joint issues and landscapers who have aches and pains and
yes, okay. So how do people buy it? How do they get to you?
Well, it's a directly marketed product, and I'm a distributor. I have a website, and I have an advertisement on actsmarter.com. You can go on there and click onto my website. You can order it from the website at a 15% discount. Yeah.
Good for you. I like the taste of this.
Yeah, it's a great tasting juice.
You know, could you add booze to it?
You sure could. In fact, we have added vodka to it. Tastes great as a martini with vodka. Maybe a little Cointreau in there. Tastes fantastic with gin. I liked it as a gin. I don't think so. Actually, it cost me about what I would spend on my coffee drinks.